Okay, where are we at?
It's Tuesday, October. Wait, it's not October.
We demoed the bathroom. We took the vanity out.
Yikes.
Right? So today my dad is coming and we are going to address the walls. So before he gets here, I need to take the toilet out and take all the plaster off the walls about 4 feet up so that we can put fresh wall in so that it's not crumbling.
Yeah, we bought all the fresh wall last night. This is what you have to do when you don't have a truck. Right?
Yeah.
These are gonna go in the bathroom. Barely fit in the car. Yeah, we are on the move.
So today should be an exciting day. And
Finn and I are going back to La Quinta for a doctor's appointment. We don't have plates.
we can use bowls. And then, so hopefully we can cross some more stuff off this list. Hopefully this one today. But yeah, that's where we're at. Can you grab me a bucket? I forgot. The water in the top of the toilet's gonna drain into this bucket. I'm just gonna be wet for a second.
Gross.
Oh, shit. Oh God, I hope this is the right size. Are you fucking kidding me? I knew I should have grabbed a 1/2 inch. I can leave the water off, but neither of us can go number 2, you know? Or do dishes or anything. Dude, I'm looking rough today. I washed my hair and went to bed, and this is what happens. So now I get to start my day off by running down to the hardware store so I don't have to do this again, so that I can cap the toilet, so I can get the toilet off, so that I can get the plaster off the wall, so that we can put new walls in, so that we can put new floors in, so that we can put the toilet back, then we can put the vanity in, the sink in, the faucet in, paint it, new light fixtures, and the bathroom's done. Woo!
1 hour later.
So I went to Home Depot, and on my way to Home Depot, I was thinking about it, and I was like, why am I trying to just cap off? Sorry, this is really like technical plumber stuff that I have no idea about, but I'm just learning. But I was like, why am I trying to cap it off? The shut-off valves underneath the sink and the toilet should work, and they don't right now. So I could foresee that being a problem in the future. They're all corroded. So I was like, screw it. I just need to buy new ones and put new angle stop valves so that you can turn the water off under the sink and under the toilet. As I was leaving Home Depot, I realized I spent about $75 on the wrong stuff. So I stopped by a local hardware store, and the guy in there, dude, the guys that own the local hardware stores, they know their shit. They're so friendly, and they're just happy to help and happy that you're at their store. So yeah, you might pay like $1 or $2 more, but entirely worth it, because he was like, yep, you're gonna need exactly this, 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 and this. Make sure you do this. You know, you might be able to use the old nut from the thing. He's like, but if it doesn't work, just come back and we'll get you the right one. So I got a bunch of stuff, and we'll see if we can get this problem solved so that we can get these walls off and we can get this bathroom done.
Okay, they keyed into your cold. Put a valve to turn it on or off. Here.
Okay.
And then they put a line up to the swamp cooler.
Okay.
But in addition to that, they decided, well, it'd be nice to have a spigot in here, just because I want a spigot in my bathroom to fill my water bed.
Yeah.
Which was a 70s thing or something, or whatever. Okay.
We are going to test the water now. Hopefully, nothing bad happens.
Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing.
All right.
On.
Okay. Nothing so far. Not a drop.
Not a drop?
Not a drop.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Woo. Oh my gosh, that's such a big relief. That's such a huge relief. I was so worried that we were going to have to call a plumber and YouTube University was going to fail me, but I think we got it. Uh-oh. There's a little leak. Oh no! I spoke way too soon.
What's that?
This one is dripping just a little bit, just started. Okay, so a little update. We are now going to start working on putting new drywall up. We have 2 out of the 3 valves not leaking. One has a slight leak that I'm concerned we're gonna have to, oh my God, I look like a crazy person right now. But one that I'm concerned we're gonna have to take it off, retape it, and put it back on and see if that fixes it. But we are going to try and get some drywall up today. Oh, I called a plumber. We got some calls into a plumber because we got this weird spigot here. Do you see this? It's like an outdoor hose thing. We're gonna try and get him to come and cap it off so that it's not sticking out. We don't want people playing with it and maybe water coming out, who knows. So, yeah, we're waiting on a call back from a plumber. So, yeah, we're moving.
I'm finally home after a long day down in La Quinta. I took Finn to the doctor and picked up our tile. And Michael did the entire bathroom with his dad today, which was awesome. And now he's got a wild hair up his ass. So we're gonna take down this light. This is light number 4 that didn't work out. We got another light. It's a cute basket light from, I almost said Home Goods, from World Market. Let me show it to you. Really cute. It goes flush to the wall or the ceiling, so I'm excited to try that out. Rattan? It's not rattan. It's an orb open weave pendant. So technically not rattan. But this one we got on Amazon, and if you were 6 feet tall, you would slam your head into it. So cool, fun times. 4th time's the charm. And Michael said if this one doesn't work, we're putting back up the old fan. I don't blame him.
It's dark because I had to turn the lights off to put this light in.
So basically what they did was they just put it in a box.
Did it come with hardware or anything? Or is it just the cover for the light?
Are you kidding me? There's nothing with it? You're joking me right now. This was $79.99. It didn't come with anything.
I think this is just the...
No, I'm gonna look it up online. What the And the big loud rumblies from the 29 Palms Air Force Base. They're not that loud, but they're deep. And they sound like they're underground. They're scaring little Finn. So he's real sensitive. Aren't you? We love you, Bubs. Look at that. It is early. We've been up since 4:45. Have we been working? No, we probably should be. So today we are buying fencing.
Okay, this is what happens when I go to bed with wet hair. It gets, like, ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Anyways, so...
Crazy.
we are building a fence.
Yep, we've decided we're building the fence.
We're building a privacy fence. And I'm hoping it's the last big expense. But I figured I don't have a truck and we need to get like 400 boards, and the cost of lumber is like so crazy right now, and I found a good deal at Lowe's, and so we are going to get it shipped to us. I'm about to place this order.
$1,300. Our budget for it was $1,500, so we are under budget technically.
We'll have to pay like $80 in screws, but that's fine.
Oh, good.
And then manual labor, which I'm gonna call my friends.
Yeah.
I need some guys.
We have
I need some guys.
we haven't
out
really
here.
called on anybody.
Yeah.
And people keep asking, and I'm like, now we actually have stuff like that they can help with, so we're gonna do it.
All right. Ordered.
Woo! We got a fence.
Okay, so we put GFI outlets in the kitchen because they were not there, but what we didn't realize was that it didn't fit once we put a GFI outlet on there with the tile. So now we have to go in with a grinder with the tile blade and just carve out a little bit of one side. Who knows how dusty this is going to be, so Kristen's going to hold the vacuum.
I'm not excited about this.
Why? Because we're cutting our tile?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so we're just gonna kind of shave off a little bit so that we can get this in.
Maybe
and
we
then
can hit
put
my
it.
mullet while we're at it.
Looking good. You got your uniform on.
I do. Comment below.
All right, here we go.
10 stars.
10 stars.
1 out of 10.
clear the sparkler.
Yeah, maybe you could kick it over, or is it too?
Almost there.
What the heck is it?
It's a heavy piece of steel.
Yeah. Boom.
Boom. All right. What are you doing? You putting up a fence?
Putting up this fence.
Nice.
Putting these zip ties.
So, this side by the barbecue and everything, putting up this fence. I mean, it's not, doesn't really offer like an insane amount of privacy, but it just kind of gives you like a visual break. And it'll probably come to about that this pole, just to kind of cover these people. This junk will be gone tomorrow. We're getting a junk pickup. Worked out.
Great.
All right, so now we're gonna put these up.
Almost done.
Put up a little reed fence right there so that you kind of don't see the house back there. And then we filled in that concrete hole, got a barbecue.
Want me to do
You
it?
wanna try this?
Yeah. Swap. Swapsies. Ooh. Oh.
Rock it, then go forward. Push forward. There you go. Look at you.
I think it weighs the same amount as me. I weigh 108 pounds.
Yep. That's how you get those traps going. You'll feel it in your neck once you get there. Perfect.
We finally got our king frame. So I'm gonna put this bad girl together. And it takes a while, so. Yay.
Time to replace these outlets. These are old. They're from the original kitchen. They're really gross, and they got like dirt in them, and they got painted a couple times. So bye-bye to these guys.
Bye-bye.
Actually, electric changing outlets and stuff like that actually isn't that hard. It's a lot easier than I thought. Get your new one. All right, it worked. Now we'll put the faceplate on. Okay, so we're hit sunset. What day is it? Is it Wednesday?
No, it's Thursday.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're both not gonna know what day it is.
Okay, so it's Thursday. I look like I'm starting to blend in out here in the desert pretty well. Need to shave my face. My hat's dirty. Look at my shirt. I've been plumbing all day, but my dad and I put these on and they were leaking, and I was worried that I was gonna have to get a plumber to do all of this stuff, which I know I could do myself, but turns out we just did it wrong, and I figured out how to do it and patched the little hole we made behind it. No leaks. The only thing we need to do is have a plumber come to fix this thing, close it, cap it off. Hopefully we'll get that done next week. So got the outlets changed out right here. Got fresh new outlets.
Gotta clean that. I was just about
They
to
look
vacuum, but
so much better.
you're filming.
And now it's time to barbecue. Our new little barbecue?
So excited.
So exciting. Here we go.
We are on our way to go do a little bit of shopping today. Let me turn off Spooky Scary Skeleton. We just went to Moonwind and got a couple things, 2 bowls and a yummy smelling candle. It's right down the way from our house, so we figured why not shop local. And then we are headed to some of the antique shops down the hill from us to look for a cafe table for the kitchen, a coffee table for the living room,
Any sort of chair.
any kind of chairs, artwork. We told ourselves we would get out of the house, and we got some stuff done this morning. Michael finished taping the bathroom.
No, I did not.
Oh, we need joint compound, so we're gonna hit Home Depot. So we did that though this morning, and we did some caulking. I caulked the doors, and then I'm going to paint the door frames. They're accent color, which is like a brighter white, and then we're going to get some paint for the door, each door on the bedrooms, and paint those too. So that is our day-to-day. We got some cool stuff from Black Luck. What's
Vintage.
Black Luck Vintage. We've been wanting to go there for a while, but they were closed for the summer. How about let's do a haul? Let's go. We just got back and we got a couple new little pieces. These little bowls. They're by who is it? Norm, I want to say. Norm Harian, I believe, is the artiste behind these. Super cute. This was 20 bucks. And I think they go really well on our shelf. So we've got an old Choya, and then these are our glassware and our, these are our Crate and Barrel bowls and plates. So for now, I just brought ours because we needed some bowls and plates that weren't paper. What else did we get? Let's show you. Oh yeah, we got this Seguro candle. It's a candle in a little can, like a little stain can. I think it's reused. But it smells so good. It is Cactus Desert Floral and Labdanum Amber. I like amber when it's mixed with other things. Don't love it by itself, but that's this candle right here, and it has a wood wick, so it'll crackle when it burns. What else did we get? Oh, yeah. We got some books, some playing cards, and a few books for like our coffee table and around the house. We got these from Black Luck Vintage. And then we got this lamp from Black Luck Vintage. Thought this would go really well in our living room eventually when we get it officially set up. There's clean laundry right there. We're getting there, people. something I'm really excited for, and I just got dirt on, but it's already kind of dirty, is this, what would you call this? It's kind of, I think it's technically a rug, but it has like rosy pinks in it, like the sunset, and also it goes really well with our dusty pink couch. And we're gonna use it as wall art. That is the haul. Very exciting stuff. Our toilet is currently in the living room because Michael is finishing up the bathroom.
Taping the drywall.
Fun times. So that is the update. Is there a reason why you went with the rubber mallet?
Yeah, so you don't get marks in the wall.
Okay.
If you miss with the metal one.
Mess stuff up.
Yeah. There we go. You tell me where is level.
No, it's leaning to the left. Yeah, down to the left. So you gotta pull the left side up.
Like that?
Yeah. Yep. Because it's just like boobies. The left horn is different than the right.
Yeah. One's bigger than the other one.
Yes.
What do you think?
We love.
Is that straight?
Mm-hmm. Cute. Okay, let me put this down and we'll put the rug up. Ready? 3, 2, 1.